Hello everybody, it is Friday. It is it's April 3rd. I'm very excited that it's Friday because it's Friday and it doesn't matter if we're quarantined or not. Honestly, not gonna lie, this week wasn't the best week for me. Just like, I don't know, my emotions. I felt very anxious on Wednesday. I've never really ever felt like that before. I think it happened the night before. We were just relaxing at home. I just started feeling really antsy and it carried over to the next morning on Wednesday. I just felt like I couldn't sit still. I was very like shaky in a way. I don't know if it was the coffee, but it was just like that all day. And I drank so much water. I ate all throughout the day. Nothing really helped. Not sure if it was all the like stuff that's going on, the news that I had been watching. So I had to kind of just take a break from like watching or hearing a lot of that stuff. I feel so much better today. Felt better yesterday. I want to try my best to stay positive. Obviously, we are going to get out of this. Like, we are going to come out of this. You know, it just might take some time and just need to be patient. So anyway, I'm just wearing an Anina Bing sweatshirt. I love this sweatshirt. And then these biker shorts are just from Aritzia. And then my jewels from Miranda Fry. I've been loving doing like two like coin like sets with this new cross that they have. And that's pretty much it. I am just kind of on the computer, just doing some work. I am going live on my Instagram at 2 p.m. today. I've never gone live on Instagram. I've always wanted to go live. It's just gonna be like a very informal thing. I don't even care if it's like 5 people. I feel like it's just a nice way to unwind on a Friday. I don't know, maybe it could be like a every Friday thing since we're like in quarantine. So I'm just going to leave the camera down and I'm just gonna do some work on the computer. All right, so finished working for a bit and then now I'm in the kitchen because I'm gonna eat something, some lunch. It's like already 1 o'clock. What am I gonna eat? That's always the problem with lunch for me. So maybe I'll eat some Eggos. Eggo waffle. All right, back in my desk, back to some work. I'm just uploading a new vlog to my channel and I'm gonna go live soon. It is 1:38, so I have about 20 minutes till I go live on Instagram. And I'm like trying to decide if I should just do it in here in the office, like right there. Not sure, but Jamie's like, oh, should I leave? Do you want me to go somewhere so I can be out of your way? And he's like hyping it up to be more than what it is. It's not that serious and I don't want it to be. So I'm like, no, can do whatever. All right, so I just went live and I completely forgot to turn the camera on, of course. Honestly, I was kind of nervous to go live on Instagram, but I think it's because it's live, whatever. Anyway, so sorry, I forgot to film it. So maybe if we do it again next Friday, I hope I will remember. So, I have my popcorn, white cheddar popcorn. This is honestly the best kind of popcorn. How do you even stop eating this? It's just so good. So I am done for the day and my phone battery is about to die anyway. I'm just gonna relax a little. I feel like I've been too into the electronics today. Starting to watch the Housewives of NYC. Bethany's not on the Housewives of NYC anymore. And I wish she was on it. I feel like she kind of made the show. She's so funny and quick-witted. Like, I feel like she kind of thinks like a guy in a way. Like, her humor is just so funny. And I hope it's still good. If you guys watched it, if you're watching it, if you are going to watch it, let me know in the comments below how you like it. I'm just watching these squirrels just roam on by. I think squirrels are cute. All right, so we just had dinner. Jamie and I posted another dancing TikTok video.
Yes, we did.
Funky Town. That was a good one. I like that song. So we had some dinner. We did take out because I didn't want to cook. We were supposed to grill. The steaks that we were going to grill didn't thaw out. We didn't take them out early enough, so.
Yep, that was my fault.
So we did takeout. So this is our food. We had some caprese. I had, what is this? What is this?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Yes, I love a good bolognese spaghetti. And Jamie had chicken parm. We had a caprese, and I think they gave us a free tiramisu because we didn't order that, but we got it. All right, I don't think I properly showed you guys Jamie making his old fashioned.
Oh yeah.
But the last one we showed you like the quick TikTok. Now we're gonna show you the slow version, the real time. So let's show them what we got. Brown sugar cubes. We have some bitters. And then simple syrup, it's up to you if you want it. I like mine a little sweeter. Otherwise, I'm only tasting. Oh my goch, we're like almost done with this.
Oh, hold
Woodford.
on. Hold on. We have more.
That's
so we're
different.
good.
What is that?
This is Basil Hayden. This is actually good to drink by itself. Ooh. But it's all the bourbon we have right now, so we're going to use that anyway to make it old fashioned.
Tonight or later?
We'll probably use it tonight because we'll run out of the Woodford Reserve.
Okay.
This is how I make the old fashioned.
I know many. Compared to who?
There's a lot of different varieties and different ways to make it. This is the way I like it because I like it this way. But anyone can make it however they want to make it. But this is, if you like it a little on the sweeter side, this is what I recommend. So,
yeah, Jamie's a sweet tooth, and you could also use cherries, but we like to use oranges. So
yes.
We have cherries. We have them.
I should show them the cherry actually.
Yeah, you want to?
Let me do that. I'm gonna grab that. Hold on. So 1 cube. These cherries right here are so good, but you really don't need it. We use the orange peel instead, but if you want, you can use it. 1 brown sugar cube.
Brown chicken, brown cow.
Exactly. And then we're gonna take 2 of bitters. 1, 2. That was 3, but okay. You know, whatever.
Okay.
I cheated.
Is that gonna make the drink really sucky?
No, it'll be fine. Then I put a little bit of simple syrup in there. Just a little bit. I put more for you because you like it with simple syrup. I do not measure the bourbon. I just...
That's good. That's good practice for you to eyeball this.
So put the bourbon in. All right. And now I'm going to take my muddler and I'm going to start muddling away. Muddling the brown sugar cube. All right. Let's get this muddled. All right. So now that we have that, I'm going to take my ice cube, which is in here. All right. Look at that.
And this is a huge sphere ice cube, right?
Yes.
That you can buy those little ice cube maker things from where? Where did you buy that? Crate and Barrel?
Crate and Barrel. I then like to stir it up with a chopstick.
That's not a chopstick. That's a straw.
Oh, straw. So, straw. God. It's a metal straw. So, you should use a spoon, but I use this. It's easy to get around. People are probably laughing right now, but that's okay. So now...
But you can do whatever.
I'm going to take the orange, and I'm going to peel it back.
That's a nice big orange peel you got.
Put the little juices in here. I like to go around the rim a little bit. And then I like to stir it in. There you go.
It looks really pretty. Is that mine or is that yours?
It's yours.
Yay.
Good?
Yeah, I need to stir it to make it colder.
Oh, okay. If you want, some people like to put a splash of soda. You can also put a little bit of water. This probably needs a little bit of water for you.
Yeah, can you please?
Yeah. We'll use a little tad bit of water here. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Let me stir it a little.
Look at that pretty little drink. Good morning. It's Saturday, April 4. This is my outfit. I am wearing Everlane fleece pullover, and then Everlane leggings that I love so much. I'm gonna work out later, so that's why I'm wearing this. And then right now, I'm just about to upload a video, a loungewear video for you guys. Since so many requested like an updated one, I got a bunch of new ones, so I'm gonna show you guys that in a video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, I just went on a 20-minute run around the neighborhood. Felt so good. I probably have been outside like 3 times this week, so I kind of needed that. So now I'm back in my office. I'm just gonna do a little like resistance workout. I'm gonna do some abs and some like butt workouts. So probably like 10 minutes each. So 20 minutes, another 20 minutes for a workout. Currently waiting for my loungewear video to upload, and I'm watching, I guess Jinky Pacquiao has her own YouTube channel. They're trying some kind of Filipino food, I think. I like Manny Pacquiao. I like boxing. So never even knew Jinky had her own YouTube channel. Alright, so while my video is uploading, I am just gonna eat some lunch. I lost track of time. It is now 1 p.m., 1-ish or so. So I'm just gonna eat my leftovers, my spaghetti bolognese, and I'm very excited for it. It is so yummy. See? On a run from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. Alright, I look crazy right now just because I have these clips on. I'm just using it to kind of tape my flyaways down. And I'm just going to keep them on here for a while. But I got 2 new necklaces from Miranda Fry right here. This one is new from their spring collection. This one's old. They don't make it anymore. And then I have these 2 gothic numbers that I love so much. Number 10 because I'm born on the 10th of June. And it's really cute because they have these like tiny little diamonds in there. I'm so excited that I got these in the mail today. Now I'm just trying to figure out what chain to put on them because I kind of want one of them to be higher. So I'm going to change one of them up. Alright, so I ended up doing my toes. I gave up on my nails just because this took forever. But I finally did it. Oh, I am so thankful for the nail salon right now. Oh, that was so difficult. And I'm just going to paint my nails tomorrow. So we are grilling dinner right now. I'm going to go help Jamie, see what he's up to. Okay, we got steak for dinner, some veggies over there. And then what are you making, a drink?
I'm making a Braveheart from Tasting Kitchen.
Oh, cool.
It's a drink. Very good drink.
Alright, we got some grilled veggies in here. And we got the grill going over here. Yum. Good morning, good morning. It's Sunday, April 4 or 5. Anyway, this is my loungewear. It's Aritzia. Then my slippers are Amazon. This whole thing is in my loungewear video. Don't mind all this laundry right there that we need to fold. But right now, I'm gonna go and make some pancakes. So, let's go. I have a bunch of Poshmark, a bunch of your Poshmark orders to ship out. So I am currently packing those up, getting ready to ship. Great, got all my Poshmark stuff packed up. It was a lot this time. And I ran out of some packing supplies, so I gotta go to the post office and drop all the orders off and get more boxes and things like that. And Jamie's gonna do it all because he has a mask and gloves. and I don't. And I thought it would be better to do it on a Sunday instead of a Monday when I feel like it'd be a lot busier. But this is something we have to do.
What do you guys think of my new hairdo?
He's getting a little fuzzy.
My hair's getting longer and longer.
Everyone's hair is getting longer.
That is true.
And longer.
Yes.
Lucky for me, I'm growing my hair out, so it's fine. It's just my nails took forever, and...
But I'm gonna do her nails next time. We agreed. So let's...
kind of scary, but...
Let's see how that plays out.
Maybe we'll show them on the camera how well or how bad you do it. So we just went to drop our stuff off, and the drop-off box is locked. It might be
Yeah, I didn't think
like
it was...
jammed. Sometimes it's jammed when there's too many packages.
Maybe,
But that's annoying because there's 2 of them and they're both locked.
Yeah.
So that was very unsuccessful. So we're going back home.
Yay!
Hello. So it is now almost 8 o'clock, I think, and I didn't show us cooking. We made some stuff from HelloFresh. It was like chicken, pineapple quesadillas, and I honestly did not want to cook at all. Like, honestly, I am so tired of cooking. I don't know if I've ever said that before, or I feel like I keep saying it, but I'm so tired of cooking. Good morning. It is Monday. What's the date? April 6th. We're just getting ready for a work day. Gonna go put on some skincare, and Jamie is making the bed.
That's what I do every single morning, is make the bed. Every morning.
Alright, finally ready. I'm gonna take my shoes off, but this is my outfit for today. Since I need to do some work, I just kind of wanted to be in work mode, so I am dressed up. I am gonna be home all day, not going anywhere, but at least these pants are comfortable, and you know, they're not tight or constricting or anything. So these are pants from Aritzia. They're called the Day Off, and I just threw on a simple tank and then some of my new Miranda Fry necklaces right here. That's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, I'm about to film, so you guys will be kind of like BTS, behind the scenes of watching how it all goes down. It's not really that, you know, exciting, but here we go. All right, I just finished workout, so I just did 10 minutes of cardio, 10 minutes of abs, 10 minutes of my butt. And that's kind of my routine. I don't really work my arms. So let me just tell you something about my arms. I get asked a lot of times, like, to do or to show my arm workouts. And really, I played tennis and I was in sports since I was little, all throughout high school. So like elementary, all throughout high school. I even won best in PE in the 1st or 2nd grade. I'm very proud of that. And I honestly believe that I have built these toned arms since I was, you know, in elementary, going into junior high, doing swimming and doing tennis. And the truth is, I don't work out my arms. And honestly, I just never really wanted that type of like muscular workout. And for me, if I work out my arms, they're pretty quick to like, I don't know, form its muscle, I guess. So that's why I don't really work them out. I'll do that every now and then just to tone them, just to keep them healthy and working well. But other than that, that's just the way they are. And guys, I'm almost at 400,000 subscribers. If you guys would help me out and get your friends and your family to subscribe to my channel, if you think they'd like it, then I would really appreciate that. I want to get to 400,000. If not, don't even worry about it. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. There's really not much going on for the rest of the night. So I will see you guys in my next vlog.